Hello family. You know, every time I'm here, I do this from the spirit, from my soul. Now we have a question right here. Let's say just evaluate, solve, easy. So what I'm gonna do, there's a lot of methodology that you can use it to solve this question, okay? But I'm gonna solve it, I'm gonna reason this question by using the method from my soul. Let's get started. So face out there, u equal to this part here, this one right here. So say 4x squared plus 9, and then differentiate. This is gonna give me du, and when you differentiate, this is gonna be 8x, but with respect to x. Look, so if this is 8x, look, x dx, so I can split this, I can say x dx. Look, I can do this x cubed is going to become like, look, it's like x squared times x. So x dx equal to du over 8, because I have to divide by 8, I have to divide by 8. So this du over 80 equal to x dx, because divided by 8 divided by 8. So I can replace this. So I'm going to say integral. So this limit is not going to be 0 and 3 square root of 3 over 2. Why? Because this is a limit for x. So we have to change this limit to u, because now we're dealing with the u. So now, if I plug 0 here in x, because x equal to 0, plug 0 is going to be u equal to 9. So it's going to become 9. And when you plug all of this in here, it's going to give you 36. Look, say 4 times bracket 3. Look, 4 times bracket, what is the bracket? Bracket 3, square root of 3 over, it's going to be 36 actually. Square plus 9. Plug in calculator, it's going to give you 36. Now, x dx equal to du over 8. So 1 over 8 is going to go at the back, because du over 8. So this 1 over 8 is going to go at the back. Oh, and then here, we left with the u. And then remember here is x squared, you left with x squared. And then here, all of this stuff we say equal to u. But 3 over 2. We have 3 over 2. You see what I'm saying? So now we don't need x2. So we don't need this x. See? So if you don't need this x, you have to eliminate this x. How are we going to eliminate this x? Some people, they might ask, like, how did 1 over 8 comes from? Let me say slow for some people, because some people, they're learning here. Okay, so the learning process. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to say, now we go. X dx equal to du over 8. So let's start here, du over 8. So you can take this 1 over 8 at the back. That's what says 1 over 8, just like that. And then remove here. So, and then we say what? Du over 8 equal to x dx, means x with the x is du over 1 over 8 1 to the back. So here we left with x squared. And this one here equal to u, 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So here we left with the x squared. But what is x squared? I can simply make subjects here. X squared equal to u minus 8, u minus 9, and then over 4 equal to x squared. Oh, so this, I'll remove it. I'll say u minus 9. U minus 9 over 4. So this 4 is going to come at the back, but 4 times 8 equal to 32. So I can remove this 4 here, and then write at the back times 8 equal to 32. Just for people who don't know the step, you know, maybe they struggle hard. Okay, so now we're here. The question is finished now. Look how we're going to go. I can separate this as a 1 over 32, and then I can take u over that one. So u over, so I got my integral, and I can separate. I can say u over u 3 over 2, but what du minus 9 means integral of 9, but 9 I can take it back because constant 9. So I'll let you the 1 over u. It's like this and this and this u 3 over 2 du. So let's just do normal simplification now. This is like, when you say u and a half, it's like 1 u 1 and u and a half. So this and this cancel. So it means that the denominator will let you to 1 over, all of this is going to be 1 over u and a half. Okay? So then show all the steps, but I'll show you shortcuts. Okay? So this is going to become 1 over u and a half. So then we're going to say 1 over 32 integral 1 over u and a half, but that is like 1 over u and a half. This is going to go to the top, so it's going to become u negative half du minus 9 is just 9. Now we come here, we take it to the top, so it's going to be integral of u negative 3 over 2 du. So we can just do normal integration. So we're going to have to add 1 here. When you add 1, it's going to become what? U a half, power of integration. Okay, so now we say, so now I'm going to say 1 over 32, just 1 over 32. Now if you take this, you simplify. This is a normal exponential. This is going to give you integral u negative 1 over u, because this power 1 minus 3 over 2 equal to negative u. Because why I do this? Because I want to do power rule of integration. And d du. Remember here you have a minus 9, and then we have the integral. This is going to go to the top. It's going to become u negative 3 over 2 du. So the question is going to be easy. So now we say now, for the power rule of integration, if somebody gave you integration power rule, this you're going to have to add 1 and then add 1 in the denominator. So it's going to become positive a half and positive half. So it's going to become square root of u. But the same thing, we're going to write at the denominator positive half. And this 2 is going to go to the top. So it's become 2. Okay, and then with minus 9, remember you still have 1 over 32. Minus 9, now become here. Plus 1, this one. When you plus 1, it's going to become negative u. Okay, negative u. So negative u is going to go to the bottom. It's going to become 1 over u a half, which is square root. You see what I'm saying? Which is square root. But, okay, let me just do this. U negative 1, 3 over 2 plus 1, and this is negative 3 over 2 plus 1. This is going to give us same as say u, okay? This is going to give us negative a half, and this is going to give us negative 1 over 2. This 2 is going to go to the bottom, so it's going to become negative 2. Negative 2. But remember, this can go to the bottom, negative 2 over u and a half positive is square root of u. So let's say it like this. But remember, you have your negative 2. So negative 2 and negative 9 is going to give us positive 18. So this is what we're going to have. Our limit start from 9 to 36. So what we're going to do, we have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit, which is easy. Plug upper limit here. When you plug 36, it's going to become, when you square 36, it's going to give you 2. 6. 2 times 6 equal to 12. So 1 over 32. 12 here. Now, plug 36, 6. 18 divided by 6 equal to 3. So plot 3. So that's the upper limit. So now we minus lower limit. Okay, so upper limit always minus the lower limit. So after substitute all the upper limit, you minus what by lower limit. Plug in here throughout everything. Plug in 9 is going to give you square root of 9 equal to 3. 3 times 2 equal to 6. Minus. Plus. Excuse me. Plus. Now take this 9, it's going to give you 3. 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. Okay? 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. So now we say this is going to be 15 minus 12 equal to 3. This is going to be 15 minus 12 equal to 3. 3 over 32. You see? And this is going to be the final answer. So, okay, so it's going to be 32 over 3 over 32. So let me tell you something, people. Okay, so the thing is, the question is, how do I know whether this has to be substitution, or this question it might be integration by parts, or this question is going to be partial fraction. So you're going to have to do a lot of questions. When you do so many questions, when you look at a question that you know exactly, because question most of the time they come in a similar, it could be similar or different way, so you need to do it a lot. You see what I'm saying? Just like anything else, okay, with the practice you do so much so you get used to the question. Like me, if I look at it, because I've done this many times, then I know, oh, this question here, if it's not this methodology, or if it's not like this, then I could have done by time substitution. You know why? Because it's 4x squared plus 9. See? So, but how do I know this? How did I come to get to know or be fluently on just by looking identify? Because I've done millions of questions, thousands of questions. So you're gonna have to do so many questions. See, constantly you have to stay consistent and do. So just like me, if let's say if I was going to do like this methodology, I was going to do by substitution, because this would be 2x plus 3 squared, and then I could have said, I'm going to do it, but I just show you. Now say 2x equal to 3, because this is 2x squared plus 3 squared. I could have said 2x equal to tan angle. See what I'm saying? So, and then I could differentiate. Say, okay, 2x, when you differentiate, you're going to get 2 dx, and this is going to give you sec square theta d theta, and then I replace all this stuff here. See, so I know X, I'll remove one X, see, and then I'll substitute slowly. So just by doing so many questions, you get used to the concept, you get used to the structure of the question. So the only way you can be fluent, see, you have to do a lot of questions. There's no other magics, okay? So many questions. Look, some of you might be new here, new followers, so do be please, be kind, come subscribe here. And another thing also, you can visit my website where I have a variety of merchandise. You know, for the women, I have a cosmetic, I have an underwear selling. You know, this stuff be manufactured from overseas, Japan, and some from country like Japan. Some of them be manufactured local here in the continent of Africa. You know, we got some variety of stuff on my website. See, cosmetics, bra for the women, all the sizes, okay? Cosmetics, bra, underwear. For the brother, I didn't forget about you. I have a snapback. See, you're gonna see me very soon wearing my stuff here, okay? Fitted cap for the brother. See, vest, nice shirt, you see, track suits, different type. And now, very soon, we're gonna launch sneakers. Top of the line sneaker. Top of the line. See, top of the line sneakers. And we come with a hiking bag. So, in water bottle, cup, and stuff. So don't forget to support your boy here, because I know you want me to win so much. I want you to win too. You see, because I love you from deep down my heart. I got love for you. This is why I take my own time out, do research, and come with a good question that you know you can learn something out of it. Thanks so much for your time. I'll see you soon, okay? I love you so much. Peace.